All right, guys, we got another car in here. Customer state that the pedals, the brake pedals hard and shake while idling. So I did kind of test that. I start the vehicles, and then when I'm trying to reverse, I notice the brake pedal is super hard and it's hard to brake. So I think that it might have to do with some brake boosters not functioning. So we're gonna try and test it out, see what's going on. So we're gonna shut the car off, start it on. We're gonna start the car, pump the brakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until it get real hard. And now it's pretty hard now. And then this pedal should go down to the floor when I start it up because the vacuum should kick in. Nope, it doesn't go down. So I guess the brake booster is shot. It's not building no pressure. So you hear that? See, it's leaking also too. So you gotta be the problem, guys. See that? See, when you press the brake, you hear the engine is making some vacuum leak from the engine. Gotta have some vacuum leak. Could be the hose. So I'm gonna tell one of my buddy to press on the brake, trying to chase for the brake chase for the vacuum hose. Could be leaking, it could be damaged, or it could be just the brake booster's assembly is shot, you know. So good thing I didn't drive this vehicle, because if I drive it, I could have get in a car accident. It looks like somebody removed this vacuum hose. This vacuum hose right there it's not put in all the way. It's not like, see that vacuum hose right there? See the vacuum hose? It's not all the way in. See this right here? See? It's not all the way in. They let somebody remove it. Somebody be trying to work on it. So, all right, man. So we look at the vacuum hose from the engine area. Seems like the vacuum hose seems to be fine. And let's check this vacuum brake booster. Let's find out. Oh yeah, he's leaking from there. Hear that? Yep. Brake booster is bad, guys. That's not good. That's why the brake pedal is so hard. When you step on it, it's hard to brake. Yep. So that's a problem, man. We found the problem. We gotta replace that brake booster. And then, see, it's leaking back there. That thing is leaking so bad. You can hear it. That's why it's idling rough, because there's a vacuum leak also. So that's not a problem right there. See that? That's not good. Hear that? Yep, that's the problem right there, man. All right, man, we got the brake booster, guys. So we're gonna replace this brake booster with a new one. Yep, just like that, man. We're gonna replace this booster. So this booster's underneath there. Yep. So we're ripping this out. Now or never. That right there. Let's move that. We're gonna move the rest.
Bye.